Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super Trinity White OC GX Online 3 edition. So friend, the GX Online 3 and MMORPG launched in 2016 which underweight and HD remake gaining significant popularity with 3.3 million active players by 2020. And friends, ZOTAC unveils the plans to introduce graphics card inspired by JX Online 3, featuring a custom color scheme and specially designed backplate featuring the ARGB lighting, and the card's design mirror the game's white and blue aesthetic. And friend, despite its unique exterior, the card is essentially a Trinity white model housing the RTX 4070 Ti Super GPU. This upgraded 8103 base model boasts 8448 quad cores and 16 GB of GDDR6X memory. The company did not announce the specification, but one can assume it featured the same factory OC as the original Trinity model, which is 2625 MHz boost and default TDP of 285 watt. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.